Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically select an AI photo style for your pictures. So just select the photo and then select it again, actually click on it, go to styles and then select AI photo, and here you can select from these. There's some for guys here as well, but most of them are for girls, as you can see. So select the one that you want to add and let it generate, and it will merge your face with the AI, I guess, as you can see, like that. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!